We did talk about some different notation on Friday, and today we're going to be talking limits. And this is something new. Again, calculus, we're going to talk about 3 different things this year: limits, derivatives, and integrals. And the first thing we're going to talk about is, let's just talk about that function notation again. Does f of a exist on this first picture? Yeah, f of a on this, you would literally say does not exist. There is no value of the function when my x value is a. Let's go over here. What about f of a on my second one? Let's make something up. I'm going to actually make that, let's make it 5. I dig that. I dig it. F of a is 5, you're saying. I'm sorry. Whoops, I just gave you the answer. F of a in this one, we would say is 5, correct? What about on this one? F of a, does it have a value on the third one? It does have a value. Bets, I want you to make it up.
2.
2. I was thinking the same thing, Betsy. Whoops, I almost wrote a 5. Do we agree? Those all 3 had different values. But now we're going to talk about what the limit is. And we're going to say the limit now as x approaches a on this first one. And this is some new notation. You're going to write limit. You're going to write x with an arrow to this a value. And why we put this here is we're just saying of the function. And the limit is where our fingers meet up. So we're going to say as I approach a from the left and a from the right, do my fingers end up at the same spot? Do my fingers end up together? Let me rephrase that. Yeah, if they do, that means the limit does exist, and it's going to be whatever this value is here. Hayden, will you give me a value here? What do we want that to be?
3.
3, great. Let's go label that on our picture. I'm going to say that this is 3. And that's going to be my limit in this first one. This is weird because, Chloe, are you angry that f of a doesn't exist, but the limit still exists? I'm a little angry at that. Like, that's weird, right? But that's true. Okay. Over here, Luca, you agree. F of a is 5. That's the point. Luca, as I approach a, do my fingers come together? Yes. What value do we want to say they come together? 3 again. I like that. I agree with 3. So we're going to say this again. Here's how we write this, you guys. The limit as x approaches a of my function is 3 on this one as well. So I do want us practicing this notation because this is new. Then on this last one, as x approaches a, as my x's approaches a, as my fingers approach a, do my fingers come together when I approach a? No. Therefore, anytime your fingers do not come together as x approaches a, the limit does not exist. Okay, boop, don't need that. What is the limit? Okay, this is saying as x approaches 3 now. So if I were you, and I don't know if you can see it from your graph, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. As x approaches 3, what this means, this is new lingo for you. We just want to approach 3 with our fingers. Where do our fingers end up?
1.5.
Yeah, he says 1.5. I think that's a great estimate. If I were to ever give this to you like on a test, you would know exactly what it is. Okay, what about the limit as x approaches 2? As x approaches 2, do my fingers come together? Yeah, at what y value? 2. This one happens to be 2. But then look beneath it. What is f of 2? F of 2 is what is your x, y value when x is 2? That's the point. 1. How about at 4? The limit as x approaches 4. Also 1. What is f of 4?
Pardon the interruption.
It's
Any
also 1.
juniors who have not had your picture taken, please.
Even if it doesn't have an absolute point noted, like this line is just infinite points together. So are you comfortable with saying, oh, that point is also 4, 1? Okay with that? Johnny Wills, thank you for that nod. How about from this table what do we think the limit is as t approaches 2? Check this out. These are my t values. Do you agree we're approaching 2 from the left here and 2 from the right here? Don't you agree 2 would be right between 1.99 and 2.01? What do you think your y values are going to be going to then? Would my fingers come together? Does it look like my y values are coming to the same y value? What do you think it would be? What would be right between those? I agree. A negative 3.5. I agree with that. This is just practicing what we just did. Ready? we've got points. These up here are all points. But let's go ahead and just do when x is 6 first. So actually, just so you know, we're going to do these 4 problems first. And then we're going to do these 4 problems, and then we'll do these 4 problems. Okay, f of 6. What is f of 6? 4. You guys, so whenever you just see that f of 6, that's like good old algebra 1. That is just a point. Now, let's go beneath it. We talked about this on Friday. As x approaches 6 from the negative side, you guys, that means I got to come approach 6 from the left side. I really don't care what's going on all the way over here because that's not as we get close to 6. I want you to get close to 6. So I'd say I'd start coming in here. As I get close to 6 from the left, where does my lightsaber end? At 3. My lightsaber ended at 3. So the approach from the left is 3. What about as I approach 6 from the positive side or from the right side of 6? As I approach from the right side, where does my lightsaber stop? Also 3. If there is no superscript, where do I approach 6 from both sides? And I now have 2 lightsabers. How special is that? Approach 6 from both sides. Do my lightsabers end up together? Yeah, at what value? 3. You guys notice these 3 answers are different than f of 6, and that's okay. It's just a little funky though. Let's go try f of 4. What's f of 4? F of 4, careful. F of 4, what's the y value when x is 4? Isn't it 5? Yep. Exactly. It's because the circle is closed. Perfect. Limits can exist at an open circle. Points cannot. Great question. Okay. As I approach 4 from the left, use your finger. Approach 4 from the left. Where does my saber end up? Bless you. 2. As I approach 4 from the positive side, where does my lightsaber end up? 5. If there's no superscript, you have to approach from both sides. Do my lightsabers end up together? No. Therefore, the limit does not exist, just like Mean Girls. Okay, last one. F of 2. Oh, this is funky. F of 2. Is there any closed circle at f of 2? No. So f of 2 does not exist. We don't have a point there. Let's approach 2 from the left side. 2 from the left side. Where's my lightsaber going? Down to negative infinity. Yep. So we got negative infinity there. How about 2 from the positive side? 4. My lightsaber ended at 4. How about 2 from both sides? From the left, you said we were going to negative infinity. And from the right, you're saying we're stopping at 4. Are they together? No, if they're not together, my limit does not exist. I dig. Okay, we're going to practice this. Here we go. Using this picture below, find the following limits. Holy moly. You want to try on your own a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys try on your own. I'm going to also do it up here so you can check as you go. And if you're like, ooh, I didn't get that, then talk to me. Ask me. 1 from the positive side.